Okay, welcome back, everybody. 6:42 now, and we're trending from mostly clear skies in the overnight over to partly cloudy skies, and even a couple showers there in the Oceana County vicinity with a lightning strike I've noticed on that sensor recently. We'll get to that momentarily. The vast majority of us, though, experiencing no rainfall here on Sunday. Partly cloudy skies. That means a mixture of sun and clouds this morning into the afternoon, and then probably even evolving back towards mostly sunny skies by late day. Bottom line is you're going to see some sunshine today, and it will be warm. Yesterday got to 88 degrees and 88 or 89 by day's end today. Southwest winds right now very light. Those will pick up and go generally between 5 to 15 miles per hour. There is this elongated disturbance from northeast down to the southwest in Illinois. It doesn't have a whole lot with it, but it is working its way across Lake Michigan as we speak. Running into dry air here over western Michigan, but as I talked about yesterday, this disturbance was going to be eroding that high pressure on the western flank. And that is exactly what it is doing in Oceana County, particularly northern Oceana County, with a couple lightning strikes there and some brief showers. So as that works off to the east, though, it's going to be fading, and most of us will experience nothing other than just a few added clouds between now and, say, early afternoon. Temperatures will be the story over the next several days, rising to around 90 degrees and then even higher than that, I think, by Wednesday and Thursday. These are the heat indices off the chart for Wednesday afternoon at 3 o'clock. Could feel like the upper 90s to near 100 degrees. And folks, I'm fast forwarding to Wednesday. It's already going to be feeling like the middle 90s there on Monday, as some humidity that does pick up today will be even more so picked up by tomorrow. This is Tropical Storm Marco, and flirting with hurricane status. Sustained winds around 70 miles per hour. If you notice, though, if you look very closely, these are the clouds of the hurricane. If you look to the south, some of those clouds, those are higher level clouds, they're kind of moving off to the north and the east. That's some wind shear in the upper levels of the atmosphere, so kind of keeping this system in check just a bit. Perhaps it can strengthen, though, to a hurricane. It looks like there's a decent chance that that will happen over the next 24 hours, making landfall, it appears, by at some point Tuesday morning into the bayous of Louisiana. So that storm track has shifted pretty dramatically from yesterday. Was supposed to go into Texas and has moved pretty significantly off to the east into Louisiana. Now this second system, this is Tropical Storm Laura, and has a healthy outflow pattern to it. Does not have the winds that Marco has at the current time, but this system has more potential, I think, than Marco down the line. You can see it's very symmetric. There's no wind shear involved here, but what it is dealing with is the island of Hispaniola over the Dominican Republic and Haiti. Just kind of moving right along the southern shores, though, of that island, and will likely skirt to the south of Cuba. And we'll take this out in motion. Sustained winds around 45 miles per hour. This will continue through the Caribbean, then emerge in the Gulf of Mexico. And most projections, folks, have this system encountering very light wind shear, not to so much like Marco in the Gulf right now. And so this system has to be watched very closely. This could be a significant hurricane coming together. Right now, they've upped the National Hurricane Center, that is, up the sustained winds at landfall to 100 miles per hour. But that is kind of taking a middle ground approach. There is some potential that this system could really strengthen into a monster once it gets into the Gulf of Mexico. So there's a lot of players on the table with regards to Laura. Stay tuned on that one. Future Track HD will run this out, and it's got this band of clouds in association with that weather disturbance I was talking about. Yes, a couple showers, even a thunder shower in Oceana County. You may get one, a shower that is, into Muskegon County over the next couple hours. But a lot of that fading away as it runs into this high pressure that is trying to hold intact here for us, Grand Rapids and Kalamazoo. I cannot completely rule out a shower, folks, for us locally later today or tonight, but the odds are very low. I mean, the percentile, probably 10%, Brody. And then we've got some shower and storm chances. I'll detail that more so in the next segment. It's going to be warm, though. Look at that. Mid-90s by Wednesday.
All right. Thanks for that, Anthony. There's